Alrighty, this is Lillithamer, starting off from where I left off. Yeah, let's just say I'm not exactly doing the best right now. I've already died twice, and yeah! I'm gonna wait until I get to at least 10.
You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
Oh man, this Mage League sucks. Do not let the fire zombie touch the dynamite.
Happy birthday!
This Mage League sucks.
You think?
Let the fire zombie touch the dynamite. Do not let the fire zombie touch the dynamite.
Shit, no! Fucking bitch. Okay, let's go. Come on, move. There we go.
Zombies away from that dumb cake.
Woohoo! Oh, you son of a bitch.
Get through the door quickly! Now!
Shit. My butt. Got it.
And the genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him! Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell! Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell! Forever!
Why did you do this to my school?
Let's make pretty faces in
What, you
here.
didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham Kelly's Wash, Lindori Ellen Tobal, Helen Moraform Totumka, Bingham Kelly's Wash. No!
Ow. And into the movies again.
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rock this entire school and everyone in it.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa? What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play.
Not bad. It is a bit. Nah, fuck, I got more. Let's do this shit, shall we? If at all possible. And Zed's just rocking out.
I'm Punk Rock Zombie Zed!
Punk rock?
Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze!
That ain't no fucking mosh pit. I am sorry.
Wow. What?
I'm gonna rock your brains out! Literally!
Please tell me you guys caught that
No
too.
one
It said
told me
dead
we're
end.
gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Francisco!
Oh, love that song Teenager. Have you heard that?
That's not important
Yeah,
now, Nick.
teenagers scared the living shit out of me.
What do you think about this one?
Die! Die! Die!
Shit! Look out!
I'll restring my guitar with your intestines!
Yeah, right. You can't even hit me.
His voice is mega irritating.
Yeah, I agree.
How do you like the spotlight, Slag?
Spotlight, what? Oh, cool. Yeah, I got it. And now it's back to dead. Okay. Nah, not yet. Oh my god, lady, move! I hate the camera on this thing. Yeah.
Now this.
You're next, bitch. There we go.
And this.
And now we have one left. Yay! Like OMG! Lollipop.
The best calories.
Shit! I did not mean to do that!
Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag!
Yeah, right, asshole.
He made a stage from all the cars at San Romero.
Oh my god. Total waste of a Volvo.
Total waste of a Volvo!
Welcome to the big show!
Fuck! What a douchebag! Quit destroying shit for no reason!
Bye-bye.
Get out of my way!
Bitch.
Time to get hardcore, you zombie hunting slut!
How's that for hardcore, asshole?
Juliet, it's time to hot one, kick ass!
Oh yeah, it is.
Probably took him 3 hours to spike his Mustang.
Alright, so this one might go a little bit over the 15-minute mark just because of the laugh.
I'm gonna crush your
I like his laugh, don't get me wrong. The not the
I'm loving this shit!
I love this shit.
Fuck you.
Punkass is mine!
You sound so whiny.
I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah! Woo!
The Misfits, I love Black Flag
Torturing
and torturing
small
small animals.
animals?
Blech.
What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
Skyliner. Alright, let's do this shit.
Welcome to the big show! Cocksucker!
Yeah, right.
Giant letters.
Take this!
You wear all that makeup to hide your indistinct chin.
Like I said, brothers laugh.
Fucking bitch! Yeah!
Hey, bitch. You missed.
The man monster is Mangina.
I think you pissed your pants!
Sorry, no.
Cocksucker!
My package was that small, I'd never wear pants that tight. There.
I'm gonna crush your fucking face!
Bitch.
That was hot. Did you see that?
Just a little bit.
You think that hurts me?
Like I said, I like his laugh like that. Oh, fuck you.
Your mohawk looks like a rooster thingamabob.
Eat my mohawk, you Barbie-looking slut! I can't wait to see you die!
Destroy the speakers!
What do you think I'm trying to do, asshole?
Is my art!
Yeah, I bet Dave got a
Your pain is my art!
Oh, shit.
Fuck! Bring it on!
Yeah,
Julia, let's
bitch.
fuck
Bring
up
it
that
on.
speaker.
Cocksucker!
Asshole.
Fuck! Join me on stage for a death jam!
No thanks.
Stupid goose!
Almost there.
Actually, wouldn't mind cosplaying or something. It's kind of cool.
Actually hurt a little bit!
I
Take
just
this!
wanted
Bitch! Take this, whore!
You first, asshole!
Whoa! Die!
He's trying to kill us?
No shit!
Eat my shit! Bitch! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die!
Kill us?
Whoa! Yeah! I got a heart off of dead cheerleaders!
Point.
He's trying to kill us?
Oh my god, shut up, Nick! Yeah, he's trying to kill us!
I can't wait to see you die!
Don't think so.
Your pain is my art!
Come on.
Awesome!
If I remember right, this is supposed to drop lollipops.
You're so sexy, Nick. Nick
Nick shake! Probably the worst freaking place to do it, but...
He's trying to kill us?
I'll rip you open and shit in your ribcage!
Oh, this sucks.
Eat my shit!
I'm good, asshole. Come here.
Die! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die! Fuck!
Damn, that's fun too.
He's trying to kill us?
Whoa!
And the finish! Fucking giant letter bullshit!
And we're going down, we're going out swinging. Yay, yo!
I'm not done screaming yet! Oh, that fucking hurts, man!
Not done screaming yet!
Jeez, so emo.
This was the guy right here who's throwing the body of Lepta.
Juliet! You did it!
Mr. Morkawa,
You managed to purify one of the dark purveyors.
Yes.
Look at this. Zed was only the weakest of the dark purveyors. But the other four are here, rotting the school. By now, they've probably transformed all your fellow students into undead.
All of them?
The school is probably filled with zombies.
Sensei!
Mr. Morikawa.
Oh, shit.
Juliet and Nick, I have faith you can stop them. All humans must die, as I must now too.
Sensei, no! Don't leave!
Oh, I have this for you, Juliet.
Oh, I forgot.
Happy birthday, Juliet. You were always my favorite pupil.
Sensei!
Oh man, that sucks. Okay, is he like down this time? Like down? Oh shit. It's an elevator! What'd I get? Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh! Thanks, Sensei! Chainsaw Dash!
Now that's a sweet ride.
Well?
Oh hell yeah!
Completely awesome!
Fuck yeah! Okay. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe in the little box thingy below, and go play with the Lumberjack. And I'll see you later. Bye bye!